equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To change the blade on your Thermomix TM21, start by unplugging the unit. Remove the bowl and set it on a clean surface. You'll need a screwdriver to access the blade assembly. Carefully unscrew the blade from the base. Make sure to keep the screws safe for reassembly. Next, inspect the blade for any signs of wear or damage. A visual check is essential to ensure it's in good condition. If it's dull or damaged, it's time for a replacement. Once you have the new blade, clean the internal area of the bowl thoroughly. This ensures no residue affects the new blade's performance. Now, attach the new blade to the base, securing it with the screws. Make sure it's tight but not overdone. After reassembling, plug in your Thermomix and run a quick test. If you need assistance, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Plus, we provide pickup and delivery at your home. No calls, no travel, just a quote before repair. Enjoy cooking with your newly serviced Thermomix. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.